Good morning, everybody. Today I am going to change the air filter in my 2013 F-150. I'll show you the filter, I'll show you the tools you need, and it shouldn't take too long, and you'll save a bunch of money doing it yourself. So stick around. Well, this is the filter that you need to use to replace your air filter. The manual, or the owner's manual, says you should do this every 30,000 miles, which I try to stick to. This one is an FA1883, and again, I try to stick with Motorcraft as much as possible. I like to believe that the OEM stuff is a cut above the aftermarket stuff. Maybe right, maybe wrong, but that's what I like to tell myself. So whenever I can get a Motorcraft part, or you know, I try to grab them. So there you go. And next step, what you need and how to do it. The air filter is in the filter housing, which is right here, which then goes to the intake. I'm going to disconnect the mass airflow sensor, loosen up this, and then there is 3 clips. 1, 2, 3, and it just, if you can see it over here, there's the back of it just fits into this plastic bracket. So it when you unhook it and you got all the stuff off, you just tilt it up, and then you can get the old filter out and put the new filter in. Oh, and you don't need quite this massive of a screwdriver, but that's the one I grabbed, so it should work. First step is to take the mass airflow sensor wire off, and again, this is like any of the other ones. It's got the red locking piece, so when you put it on, it's pushed in, and then when you want to take it off, you pull it, and then it'll slide right off. So that's out of the way. Then you use a screwdriver, my Mongo super duper screwdriver. You loosen this clamp, and then you can use the screwdriver to get down and take these off, but they come off really easy. So there you go. And then you disconnect it here and you roll it up, and it's all the way off. And this is the clean side of the filter, and this is the dirty side, and it's not too bad, but you know, it's 30,000, so I'm going to change it just to be on the safe side. I work on a pretty dusty job site, and I know people give me a lot of shit about how dirty my motor is, but this is actually the stuff that's gotten picked up into the air box from where I work. So you know, construction sites are not the least dusty places. So I'm gonna try and get that out of there, and then I will proceed to put this back together for you. All right, I cleaned it out. Now it's time to put the new filter in. To take it out of the packaging. It looks a lot cleaner than the other one I just took out. And put it in here. Only fits one way. It's in there nice and tight. This slides into there. Get the hose out of the way. Get the hose on. Yeah, and make sure you get this together tight and right, because if you have an air leak past the mass airflow sensor, it won't run right. And then you just close the clips back up. Hopefully you saw that they just come off. It's super simple. And then you reconnect mass airflow sensor and push the pin in, and now it's locked. And now the last thing is tighten up the clamp to the filter assembly, and there you have it. Simple, quick. I don't know, it took me 2 or 3 minutes maybe. So there you have it, another quick and easy way to save yourself a couple bucks doing something yourself rather than having the oil change shop or the dealer change the filter. I don't even know how much I paid for the filter, but you know, it is what it is. So if you have any questions about this, it's pretty simple, straightforward. Go ahead and put them in the comments. I'll answer you as quickly as possible. And again, I appreciate everybody that watches, likes, subscribes, shares, whatever. I'll just keep making these because I have the truck and I'm going to keep it as long as I can. So to do that, I need to make sure that it continues to run good. So thank you very much for watching, and hopefully you have a great day. Bye.